Hello and welcome everybody. It's KB here. So there was a official Photoshop for Android which was called Photoshop Touch, which is a discontinued project and Adobe doesn't work on that. So official Photoshop for Android is basically dead. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys a similar Photoshop-like application for Android that you can use. Maybe many of you guys already know about this. This is called Krita. And as you can see, this says this app isn't compatible with my device. So if you have a tablet, it will be best because it is a full-fledged desktop application ported for Android. If you have a small phone like just normal phone like me, then you'll get this and you won't be able to download this application from the Google Play Store. But even if you don't have a tablet, you have a normal phone, actually you can use this application. So I will put a link in the description for a APK file for this Krita APK. You can go there and download it just in case if you don't have a tablet. If you have a tablet, you should not have any problem to download this from the Google Play Store. So let me show you actually, it works, okay? And it is as of now the best alternative for Photoshop. So it's loading and it's going to take some time to load, and it's best to use in a landscape mode. So you will see better and you will be able to control this thing better. Okay, if you use like in straight mode, and you can see there are so many settings and everything. So yeah, it is like actually better to use a tablet. It's more suitable for tablets. But if you can use a landscape mode and little bit of like your small screen, I think it is usable. So you can see it has the interface of Photoshop. Actually, I have made a video on it for the PC. Yeah, this application is also available for PC. If you want to try, you can also try. But this is a one and only the best application which resembles the desktop Photoshop for Android. Yeah, it's amazing. So just like Photoshop, we can start a new file or open a new file. So I'm gonna just click on new file, which will bring this. So in here, I'm actually gonna create a 720p canvas. So I can change these, hopefully, okay. Wish I had a tablet to use this better, but it's all right. I can use this 1280 by 720. So you can see it's actually usable. If you don't mind, like you really desperately need a Photoshop for Android, yeah, it works flawlessly. Now in my phone is too small. You can see there is no create or save cancel button. So I'm gonna have to go like this. Okay, portrait mode, and after that move this window and I'm gonna hit create, and which will create a project itself. Now I can go back to the landscape mode, okay, and there we have the 720p project. And now in here I can do whatever I want, just like in Photoshop. We have layers and whatnot, okay. So we have tools. I'm actually gonna go and type something here because this is not a tutorial. This is actually about, yes, there is a Photoshop like application for Android. Okay, so I'm gonna write something here, maybe hello. How about that? Okay, and I'm gonna do that. Hello. Maybe change the font. How many fonts I have, I don't know. Okay, Android clock. Okay, it's okay. I'm gonna select I don't know, Android Droid Sense, okay, and I'm gonna increase the size to like, come on, I know it's a phone, but I'm gonna change it to like, wow, there is a hello button with too many letters. I'm gonna make it like 72, the biggest one, and I'm gonna hit save and I'm gonna hit close, and there we have the hello. And we can use like there is a full touch. You can use touch. If you want to use a mouse and keyboard, you can also use mouse and keyboard, I think. Yeah, if you have tablet, this is gonna be amazing. Okay, so there we have our hello. Okay, so you can see here, and if we want to change color, or I want to go to the you know, here we have the layer style, and I can actually move these windows here. It's amazing. Okay, how this is working, I don't know how is this even possible, but this is amazing. So there we have the drop shadow. Actually, I'm gonna change this color overlay. I can change it to maybe red or something. Okay, I may have to do something like this. Okay, because I don't see a settings over there. Hit OK. It's not like it's completely unusable in smaller phones. It is usable, but it's a little bit, you know, a lot of work, not little bit. Okay, you may have to rotate your device here and there. So I'm gonna go with normal, which will actually change the color of the text, hello. Or I'm gonna go to the gradient overlay. Okay, if you have used Photoshop, I don't need to tell you guys what I'm doing here. Okay, I'm gonna change the blend mode to normal. So there we have the gradient style. I'm just gonna choose any. Okay, I may have to go like this again. little bit annoying, but it works. Okay, so there we have the gradient. You can also add your own gradient. I just need to find a save button. Come on, OK button. Okay, then we have our gradient. So I know I'm just, you know, playing around with this application, but they do have many tools here, like a pen tool, whatever you expect, like from the Photoshop. It has all the tools, a paint bucket tool, gradient tool, whatnot, magic wand tool, which is not called magic wand inside, but you can see there is a wand. This thing I can touch in here. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. Okay, I'm gonna draw something. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. Maybe this. Yeah, look at that. Hello. I'm gonna become an artist here. So yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna talk too much. This is a full-fledged Krita application, which is available for Mac, Windows, and Linux too. Now it is also available for Android, and it is the early access. If you have a tablet, you can just download it from the Google Play Store and start using it. And it's going to be best to use it on tablet, but it's not like you can't use it on other phones. Yes, you can use on a normal phone too, but the experience will be a little bit annoying because, you know, you won't be able to see some settings, so you may have to rotate, you know, something like that. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave your questions in the comments. And yeah, that's it. I will put a link in the description for the APK download link. If you have a normal phone, you can download the APK. Yeah, have fun with this application. That's it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.